Today I am giving you a tour of 7708 East Phantom Way in Scottsdale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Scottsdale, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Scottsdale. Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home located in the Grayhawk neighborhood. The kitchen is spacious with plenty of cabinets, and it opens to the family room, which has an electric fireplace. This house features an open floor plan and dramatic high ceilings with an open staircase. Here we have an extra powder room that's convenient for guests. And the laundry comes with extra storage. The master bedroom is located downstairs and overlooks the backyard. It also features an ensuite with a walk-in closet, dual sinks, a separate soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. This home is situated in a great community with excellent schools and a prime location that provides easy access to the best shopping, entertainment, and dining in the area. Upstairs, there are 3 additional guest rooms and a bathroom. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, www.leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's www.leaseaz.com. Other features of this home include an amazing backyard with a beautiful pool, an oversized covered patio, and extensive decking, making it a perfect place to relax. Don't miss out on the chance to make this lovely home yours. Inquire today.